How to see your cancelled items on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find and see your cancelled items on ebay.com easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to ebay.com and go to your name here in the top corner and go to account settings. Now go to activity, and right here you will find many options. All what you have to do is click on purchase history here. It's the fourth one. Now here you will find your cancelled items easy and fast, as you can see right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.